Hello, I'm Yolanda from Olson Timber Buildings, and today I'm here on our show site where we've recently built and installed one of our very popular garden studios. These buildings are becoming increasingly popular as they can give you much added and needed space and can be reused for a wide range of different activities, from a home office to a man cave, a she cave, hobby, craft rooms, place for you to send your teenagers when they want a bit of space and you want a bit of space, somewhere you can go, pick up a good book, nice cup of coffee and relax. Let me show you around the building. So this building is framed in 4x2 pressure treated timber. The outside of the building is pressure treated shiplap. Exterior walls are lined with a breather membrane which we fit in between the stud-work and the exterior cladding. There's additional diagonal bracing inside the building to give it extra strength where needed. So the size of this building is 7'4" to eaves. It's got a 17-degree pitched roof. To the front of the building we've fitted a Tapco slate tile, very popular choice, and a lovely tile. On the reverse we've actually fitted some felt, just to show that we can do various roofing options, whatever suits your property. To the front of the building is a 3-foot canopy which is underlined with shiplap. You've got guttering to the front and down pipes to both the front and the rear elevations, and a white PVC double glazed set of French doors. Let me show you inside. The roof is boarded with OSB and we've used a 5x2 roof purling system. We've got a casement window here, double glazed, which we make here in our workshops. All various sizes. This has a fixed pane and an opening pane, but we can do anything that's required. Looking at the walls, you can have the building unlined, as you can see here, or indeed we can line with ply. We can use Celotex as insulation, or we can use rock wool as insulation. The floor is insulated, and we have an Egger board flooring in here. So this room can be used all year round for a variety of things. Additional features you can have with these buildings is a nice decked area. We've got 4x4 posts here at the front with curved bracing. You've got some spindling here. Nice area to sit down on a sunny day and chill out. These buildings are all made to order. They are bespoke. They're all made here in our factory in the UK. We install and deliver all up and down the country with our very own team of professional installers. Do have a look at our website. There's lots of other examples of our buildings on there. Put a quote together or give us a call or come and see us here at our show site.